hindi po pwedeng this quarter 2, you will still do the same action, planning, or yung strategies because hindi nga siya nag-workout eh. You need to experiment and try new things. Okay? Adapt. Yun din. Adapt a yet mentality. Okay? Instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I can't do this yet. Okay? Hindi ka susuko agad. Okay? You're still not yet there. Pero you will get there. Okay? Magkaiba yung dalawa eh, no? Yung na parang hindi mo talaga siya kaya versus ito, I'm not yet there. Pero ibig sabihin, you will try and I will try. No? And surround. And I'm very blessed and thankful that in this agency, you are surrounded with growth people. Nice. Okay. As in, nandito yung mga agency leaders natin, nandito sila para tulungan tayo. And engage. Alam niyo po ba na ang very rare yung mga agencies na talagang nagsasama-sama together? Kadalasan because of the Zoom, video calls and all, yun na lang yung ginagawa nilang opportunity para mag-engage and gather. Pero tayo, kayo, you are doing it face-to-face. No? So, you are in good agency, you are in good hands. So, take use of it. No? Gamitin natin itong way para to learn and grow together. And meron din tayong language shapes the way we think, no? What you speak influence you and your world. Words shape mindset and behavior. Words influence emotional and physical reaction. Words affects decision making and control. Language affects cognitive ability and language shape social and professional success. And words create and shapes reality. So we need to think very well of the words that will come out in our mouth. No? So yun yung kanina ko ba laging sinasabi, kailangan dapat positive tayo lagi. Na parang I understand may mga iba parang ang hirap-hirap na. So instead na sabihin mo, ang hirap-hirap na. No, hindi, kaya mo yan. I-motivate mo siya, motivate mo yung sarili mo. And one thing for sure, that can also help you physically, mentally. So, ito na lang siguro, very quick na lang to. In sales and prospecting in life insurance, fixed language is, I'm not good at selling high-value policies. Are you one of these people na talagang, ay, hindi ako magaling yan, wala akong mga ganyang high net worth client. But if you have a growth-oriented language, I am learning to sell high-value policies and improving my approach every day. Okay? So, leadership and team motivation. Fixed language, my team never meets their target. Pero if you have a growth-oriented language, my team is working towards improving their performance. And I will help them with better coaching strategies. So, ikaw as a leader, dapat nagsisimula din siya sa inyo. You are the role model of this agency, this Zenica Associate. It must start with you. And kahit hindi naman leader, kahit kayo po, na nandito ngayon, present today. Okay? And personal development, I'm bad at public speaking. Sino yung parang talagang mahina talaga in terms of public speaking? Siguro lahat naman tayo nagsimula dito, lahat mahina or takot. Pero alam niyo, minsan, napapractice naman. Diba? So, it's really about trying and improving. And lastly, siguro ito na magbabasahin lahat, it's instead of let's replace I can't with I can learn. Set process goals and not just outcome goals. Normalize failure as a step to success. So siguro ito yung very important din siya sa akin in a way na in order for you to become really successful in this business, you will feel failures and feel a lot of pain and a lot of things that not good, no, probably. Pero one thing for sure, these things that happening to you are part of the success that God wants for you. Okay, and share success stories of advisor who do it through persistent. So ito na lang, very few important reminders. Ito, it's more on i-summarize ko na lang because of the medical inflation in South Asia, including the Philippines, na nasa top 2 with 16.1%, and continuous increase ng mga, yung mga sicknesses that we are experiencing. So, why medical insurance is important to the Philippines? In the Philippines, medical insurance is essential because it bridges the significant gap between high treatment costs and limited public funding. While government programs exist, they are often insufficient to cover major medical crisis. Okay, do you agree? So, kumbaga, ang point lang naman nito is actually, because of these things happening, we have a solution. As advisors, AIA advisors, leaders, managers, what we can do is actually offer this solution to our clients. Okay, hindi na talaga sapat yung PhilHealth alone. Okay? So, you can try, no? Bagong product naman kasi po ito eh, no? So, kumbaga kung medyo familiar na kayo with the HMO coverage, no? And you understand that this coverage that you have in this HMO, maganda siya, pero hindi siya enough at kulang siya. You can actually position AIA medical solution products. Okay. So maganda siya. And in a way, yung EMDR, di ba, ano siya? Pagka every time you renew this one, every year, merong commission. So consistent yun. Meron kang yearly commission. Di ba? Pag in-attach mo yun, kasi automatic attach yung EMDR eh. So meron kang yearly commission. Di ba? Kung compare mo yung ibang product, ilang commission lang yun. 3 years, 5 years. Ito, as long as nire-renew niya yan, meron kang komisyon. So, think of it na parang kung meron kayong mga HMO clients, pwede nyo itong i-add sa product na offer sa kanila. Okay? So, Manila 2 activities for April. Hindi na natin isa-isahin, but just a few reminders if you have recruits.
Excuse
just
me, next month di ko
Pwede
na
tayo
mag-invite.
mag-set ng schedule,
Oo, next month sinanong ko na sa kanila eh. Sinabi ko na next month para matutuhan nila.
Yes, ako. Actually, kausap ko yung ating si Kitch, yung magte-train sa atin in terms of medical solution. I can set a schedule. Probably, I can open it up na lang for the sector. Then we can also attend
Okay,
si
sige.
Siniga. Okay?
Para bawas.
Yeah. Kasi I understand and I know the frustration in terms of the limited slot in Zoom meetings na 100 lang. So, because of that, no, I'm talking to our trainers na we set a training na face-to-face, probably if you're interested na feeling ko mas maganda siya, mas magiging effective kung gawin siyang face-to-face. So, I'll be updating na lang with you doon sa schedule na ibibigay sa akin ng ibang teach.
Okay, sige.
So, next naman natin yung recruitment natin. If you really want to grow your business here, we have one-day recruitment this April 11, Saturday. So, this is on Gloria Maris. Then, right after, the training will be in Genesis. Okay? April 11, Saturday, full day po. No? Then, meron tayong special IAAP-OL examination this April. No? Sa 17, sa AIA office po ba, mismo dito sa Genesis po ulit to. Just in case you have recruits na gusto nyo ipa-exam, this 17 is i-block nyo na po yung schedule. Then, in case you have recruits in Antipolo, we have a schedule April 18, Saturday. I believe this is also a one-day recruitment. So, parang right after mismo sa Antipolo, doon na mismo yung training din para makapag-register na rin after the session.
So, the circumferential.
Then, ito po, parang last time sabi, na-share ako itong kay Ma'am Cherry. So, itong ating E-Life Prime, it's back, but it's just exclusive for our Project Conserve and Pick-up campaign. So, meron kami napag-usapan ni Ma'am Cherry, but eventually, after reviewing it and reading it, paulit-ulit,